fam bam. So let's talk about soil, because when you go to a big store, especially like Lowe's, Menards, Home Depot, any garden center, you'll be met with a bunch of different options, and I want to make sure you are getting the right soil for your needs. So come on with me, let's talk about these soils. All right, so as we move into garden soil, there are a multitude of different types of garden soil. So as you see right here, this says for in-ground use. Now for those of us who have raised beds, then you want to get garden soil that is made for raised beds or made for containers. The reason why is because your plants are going to need different nutrients when they're direct sown in the ground opposed to when they are in some type of container. Especially when it's in a container, this is when you need more moisture control to happen. So let's get into that. All right, so here we are with raised bed soil, and as you can see, it says no mixing. Essentially, when you have a raised bed or you have a container, they do 100% understand that this is a more controlled environment, as well as a new environment that you are introducing. So you need a few more enhancements to your soil opposed to if you were doing a direct sow. But as I discussed before, when you look at the price, you see how the prices are indeed going up. Now this bag here, as you can see, it says everything is 100% organic. This is good for flowers as well as vegetables. All right, now let's look at another Miracle-Gro product right here. You see, this is organic, but it also says that it's in ground soil. So meaning that it knows that it's going to be added to something that already naturally has quite a bit of the things that you need. So the things that are inclusive in this soil will not be inclusive in this one, just because they recognize it's a different environment. Now you have another one that says container mix all purpose, and it's once again still made by Miracle-Gro. So once again, and showing you these prices, the prices change, but it's all about what you need this soil for and the environment that you're introducing it to, so your plants can indeed not just survive but thrive. Here's a better view of the container mix that I just showed you, and here is the price. All right, let's get into potting mix. Okay, so this is for things that you know are going to be in a container. See the price there. All right, so with this potting soil, this is for if you have window boxes, any type of container. Now I generally use the potting mix with my flowers, but they are not limited to flowers. You can utilize it for vegetables as well. You have different types of potting soil, but this is one that I am more prone to, and this is the moisture control, because as you can see, it says it protects against overwatering and underwatering. But once again, this is for if you are growing in some type of container, and it says it right here on the bag for indoor and outdoor container plants. So that means if it is a planter, you good to go. Make sure that you guys understood the differences in these soils, so when you go to wherever you're going to pick up your soil from, you know exactly what you're going to get.